This topic was all about tissues of the human body. So, meron ho tayong 4 primary types of tissues: epithelial, connective, nervous, and muscle. So, proceed tayo sa epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues locations covers the body. Example po nito is the epidermis, which is the outermost layer ng ating balat. The epidermis acts protective barriers against external factors and helps regulate temperatures and prevent water losses. So, lines the cavity tubes, ducts, and blood vessels inside the body. Example naman ho dito is yung the lining of the digestive tract. The epithelial cells in the digestive tract help absorb naman ho ng nutrients from food and protect the underlying tissues from the digestive enzymes and pathogens. And lastly, that covers the organs inside body cavities, which is, dito naman po, is a type of epithelial tissues that lines the internal organs in the abdominal cavity, such as the peritoneum. The mesothelium naman po is provide protect covering from the organs and help reduce friction between them during movement. And then next po is one of the function po ng epithelial tissues is to provide the protection from physical and chemical injury. An example po dito is lining the stomach. The stomach epithelium serves as a protective barrier against the acidic environment of the stomach, preventing damage to the underlying tissues from the stomach digestive juices. This epithelial lining helps safeguard the stomach wall from the corrosive effects of gastric acid, ensuring the proper functioning of the digestive system. Next po, second function po is to provide protection against microbial invasion. Dito naman po is, example naman ho dito is yung lining of the respiratory tract, including the nasal passages, trachea, and bronchi. The respiratory epithelium contains specialized cells and mucous membranes that trap and expel pathogens, such as bacteria and viruses. So, helping to prevent them po ito from entering the lungs and causing infections. These protective barriers play a crucial role in defending the respiratory system against microbial invaders and maintaining respiratory health. Then, squamous epithelium po is a simple one-cell thick, formed solid layer of cells which line blood vessels, body cavities, cover organs in body cavities, and also stratified multiple layers, and then form din ho siya ng epidermis. Then next is yung cuboidal epithelium naman ho, is same din ho siya ng squamous epithelium na simple one-cell thick din, but roughly cube shape ho siya. And then also line ducts in a kidney, in etc., and where reabsorption and secretory activities take place. So, proceed ho tayo sa columnar epithelium. Yung columnar epithelium din, katulad ho ng sinabi ko kanina, yung squamous at yung cuboidal, same din ho sila ng one cell thick, but yung shape niya naman ho dito is long and narrow. And then, also digestive tract where reabsorption and secretions occurs. And then, pseudostratified gives the appearance of more than one layer of columnar epithelial cells. And then, proceed tayo sa muscle tissues. Muscle tissues with the bones of the skeletons, the heart, and the walls of the hollow organs of the body. Then, muscle tissue have three types: smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. Then, first, smooth muscles is given name of stripe. Ang smooth muscle po have a single nucleus, are splendid like a stomach. And then, yung cardiac naman po is found only po in heart. And then, uninucleate din ho siya, and branching cells that fit together tightly and intercalated des. And then, skeletal naman ho is yung control voluntarily. And then, also cells are long and cylindrical, multinucleate, and then striped din siya. And then, proceed tayo sa muscle skeletal. Muscles, fibers, long parallel and cylindrical, also with many nuclei. Striations across the stripes run perpendicular to the cells. Produce din siya ho ng voluntary movement, locomotion, and heat. Then, cognitive tissues functions, connects, bends, and supports structures like tendons, ligament, at marami pa. Connective tissues, variation in the blood supply, vascularized ho siya, then exception po ng tendons and ligaments have a poor blood supply and cartilage is avascular ho. Proceed tayo sa extracellular matrix. Extracellular matrix is composed of a non-structured ground substances and fibers. So, isuzoom lang ho natin siya yan. And kung mapapansin nyo is mauna yung fluteregulate yan. Then, here. And then next po is types of cognitive tissues. Yung bone, cartilage, dense fibrous. Yung dense of fibrous po is napapaloob doon is yung tendons and ligaments. And then, nervous tissues. Nervous tissue is a main component of the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung nervous tissues functions. Yung function niya po, one of the function niya is regulate and control body function and also generates, transmit nerve and pulses. And then, nagsusupport din ho siya ng insulate and protects impulse generating neurons. Then, proceed tayo sa specific nervous tissues types o yung tinatawag nating neuron. It is branching cells with the many long processes, large central nucleus, also transmit impulses from one area of the body to other areas, and then regulate din ho siya ng activities through neuron impulses. And that's it for today's video, and bye!